Here are the benefits of having a cat, explained in English. 1. Stress relief. Cats provide emotional comfort and help reduce stress and anxiety with their calm presence. 2. Low-maintenance pets. Compared to many other pets, cats require less daily care. They groom themselves and are generally independent. 3. Good companionship. Cats form strong bonds with their owners and offer warm companionship without demanding too much attention. 4. Pest control. Cats naturally help control pests like mice and insects in the house. 5. Clean and quiet. Cats are naturally clean animals and usually very quiet, making them ideal for apartments or small homes. 6. Health benefits. Studies suggest that owning a cat may lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease due to the calming effect they have. 7. Entertainment. Cats are playful and entertaining, bringing joy and fun into daily life.